Hi guys, welcome back to D.E.C Studio. Okay, so let's create our CCTS card for COVID contact tracing system. First, open your Chrome browser in your mobile device. Then, in the URL, type southcotabato.ph/web. Click enter. And then, on this three line, click and then click register, select citizen, and then fill in this form. So guys, no need nyo po yung email address. Magagamit nyo po yung email address for CCTS card retrieval. Mobile number, and then household, wala po kayong household, click I'm not a robot to proceed. Verify, and then click register. Okay, so meron tayong error dito. Okay, so click again. Then confirmation consent. Click yes, proceed. And you are all done. To check our CCTS card, go to your phone, storage, click file, local, internal storage, and then click download, and this is it. Right. Okay, nakagawa ka na po ng iyong CCTS card or COVID contact tracing system. So salamat sa panonood. Sa hindi pa nakasubscribe, please subscribe and hit the notification bell for any updates. Thank you and God bless.